Okay guys, here's an 18-inch Statue of Liberty boat, and I totally restored it, repainted it. I added the 4 seats in the front, the one in front of the cabin. I had to make the cabin. All these fittings are new, the mast is new, the seats are new, the bow light is new, old stock new, so is the flagpole mast. I had to make a couple seats in the back. Totally restored it, repainted it, revarnished it, replaced all the bulbs inside. Had to make 2 benches for inside also that were missing. The boat was a mess. I polished up all the fittings. You see the anchor came out great. Everything in itself, I mean the boat is beautiful now. Polished up the prop, the rudder, cleaned it all up. Redid the life preservers in the back. Those lights are new. The handrails are all been polished. They're all stainless steel. Now these switches are brand new. Here's one for the motor. It is running. I had to rebuild the motor. It didn't work. Here's the cabin off. The bottom of it inside. It's all been rewired. All brand new inside. All the clear plastic is new. All the contacts for the batteries inside are all brand new. The universal is new. These are the only 2 original switches that I had, and it's kind of out of focus. I mean, those were it. I got a ton of money wrapped up just in the fittings alone that I put into this boat. I'm going to list it on eBay. It's not going to be cheap, but it's a beautiful boat. Lights up. I'll build a stand for it. Right now I don't have a stand, but I'll make one for it, no sweat. And all the fittings have been cleaned and polished. And there she is. It's a beautiful boat. I wanted to put it online because there isn't a lot of information on these boats. This boat is roughly 18 inches long. It's the SS Statue of Liberty. It was made by ITO. It's an early boat. I figure it was around $49.50 at the latest. There aren't many of these around. The ones that are around are a mess. I'll put pictures of this before in the ad on eBay. But anyway, this is just to give you guys an idea. I'm putting as much information as I can on these while I'm working on them. It's all been totally restored. I redid this railing on top. That was missing. All the plexiglass is new. The cabin is new. Lights, everything. The fittings. I polished up all the brass on the life preserver on the lifeboats. You can shave in these things if you want to. Everything's been polished and cleaned. It's kind of going out of focus here. Sorry about that. Anyway, thanks again for all the comments you made on my boats. I enjoy restoring these things, and I hope that everybody can appreciate all the work that went into this. It's a very complicated boat. It really is. I'm amazed when I tore into it. This cabin alone is unbelievable. The amount of work involved in that. Anyway, thanks again for all your kind comments. You see this on YouTube. Also, it'll be on eBay. And if I don't sell it, I think I'm going to keep it, because this is the nicest one out there right now. So, if you want one that's beautiful, mint, runs without any problems, this is your boat. Thanks again. Bye.